mode long working meditation. Meditation and one blah long 3 plus something long hoping long winning gupla sit down na hamamas. Napa tupla gupla pasin na open head long look clear long run long over to something. Now you must work in 3 plus 1 time long winning hamamas na gupla sit down. So this blah you talk by you total on meditation. Now meditation and practice long straighten now looks clear long around long ting. You got 3 important hub long this practice. Number 1 hub long strong na sharp ting long 1 hub. But ting none of run about it be more kind dream man or something come along or something you look him, hear him, smell him, taste him, touch him, feel him or ting him. Number 2 use him this for strong plan na sharp ting long look long or run or ting long you now long this time. Time you look good long run long ting long you. Now one blah cranky ting or one blah ting no good or one blah ting can bug up you or another blah he come up. But you must practice long lose him. Hurry up. No good you lie me grow come up. Now working bug up he come up. Now when ting say work him talk now passing you may work him. When something you work him long talk or passing but you must kiss him back him long him. Kupla by got kupla he come back. No good by got heavy come back. So you must look good. And when something he stops inside or head blown you. Now so behind him something no good. Now work him come out talk or pass him blown you. By you work him heavy come up long narbla now heavy by come back blown you. You work him kupla by kupla come back. So you look good long run blown ting blown you. Now one time or ting blown you may say working well blown you me. Or cranky ting I believe, so working you me looking world in not black kind over that. So suppose you got a cranky ting or some cross or bell hat. Now one man acting walk over the cam, no good is for cross that bell hat. He changing picture from this for man and you cross that bell hat nothing. Or suppose you got belief long or muscle by come bugger from you or poison. Or one man working poison on you or this kind cranky ting. By come back from you me. I'm not by walking you poor nothing, by you back from life blow you, back from life blow not blah. Number 3 hop long meditation and long put him or couple ting come up inside long head, now lie me grow come up strong. Now gupla na small ting it was him. Love, marry, how much one time on blah. Pass him long stop easy. Pass him long stop peace, pass him long stop strong. Or kind thing you same by helping you long growing gupla pass him, hamamas, na gupla sit down. By helping you long look him world clear. Na picture you kiss him, you know be any more ting no good. Long one time all ting blow you may say working world blow you me. Suppose you got ting marry, now you stop easy, you say don't head blow you, but you looking world in gupla. Now you can look him clear so some heavy come up. But you look him ask for him clear, you look him kind something clear. Suppose you got a cranky ting, he stop inside on head blow you, but you cross nothing by over kind something, he come up. So one time or ting blow you may say working well blow you may. So now by you may talk long strong him na sharp him thinking. Number 1 half long practice long meditation. Now work on this plan. You must sit down, now stop easy, long over happy no got noise, or fire up, or money run come close to. Also long one for room, long house, or underneath long one for DY. You can sit down long one for chair, or long floor, or long ground. Thus you must sit down straight, now good. But you no can worry long body blow you. Now put him over the ting blow you, long or run blow ting that's all. You could put him on the cushion or DY underneath long ass blow you. Suppose you sit down on floor or ground. By backside blow you can step straight. Now you put in good wind, you come inside. Time you sit down good, now step easy. Put in ting blow you stop long 1 blah up. Stop that's all on this blah point on this blah up. You can put in ting blow you long one lick hop you like him. Long hop long side long door, half long wall, one blood, half long DY, or one of something. That's why you long put in on one blood half. It's a okay at one time, you may okay that time. One blood half all the same, you long cross long you, time you walk long, one time you walk long go come, one time win. Or inside long loose, or on top long lip long mouse long you, or how you can pin and win, you run on top long M. When you stop, one time you may okay the time. You know, someone blood something outside, you can look in. Time you sit down, one blood half that's all. So win is stop over the time long you may. So in kupula, using this blah, long one blah half, you can think strong long M. Alright now, stop easy. Pass him eye long you. The arm is stop, oblique, that's all no can look clear, long one blah something. Working backside long you, is stop straight, now pull in one or two blah win, you go deep inside long brush long you. Now line win, you run, you go to like long M. You know can try him, control him, run long win. When you must run on like long M yet. Now you put him over the ting long you go along this little half long win. So you put in this little ting long you, on this little half you can pin him inside long loose long you when you touch him. Or on top long brush long you, try and walk on go come. Now suppose you hire one plus something, or pin in one plus something, or look sorry on one plus ting. Lose him. You know can hold him, the line new plus ting grow, time you behind in this plus something. Put him over the ting long you, long half you mark him. Now work him come up strong, not sharp. Now stop easy, and put the ting stop strong, now sharp more, long this half. Long hold him you can count him how much win, you can kiss him, you go, he come, time ting he stop strong, long this half. Count him one, time you pull him now rouse him one plus win. Now two, long nalbla, he go the same. Time one plus something, you pull him ting below you, he go long way, long win. Now you're behind him, you must go back again and start on counting long one again. Practice all the same, and if you can count him plenty win. Now get a ting below you, he stop that so long half, you will mark him. That's all. Took it easy. Working me hard. Plenty man time when you start not working this blah, and I've counted 2 or 3 per win. That's all. I think they'll all fly up and it's 1 per 3 man, or be any 1 per something. Then you must go back and start again, now counting on 1. You must practice for a day, and with him 30 or 40 win. Time you think you stop on this will have that's all. You know can stop on 3 or 4 per win that's all. You must go on top on 30 or 20, 40 something. You school with some young man long place, so you stop easy. Or you work in this plan mark. Suppose you're not working good. This will by helping you long over the something you work in. No one you're not putting thinking is good long this will something you work in. This will I hope him all so Martin, work in school, now homework good more too, yeah. You must have a dream and plenty to mass. Now no stop. One time on something you may work him now. On this time you may stop. When we find him or some plenty man, is a stop from 3 man, you will have 60% on lifelong goal. Only man tap long half long lifelong goal is stop long way on 3 man. Who knows stop long one something only working. And important true. Long you may stop one time something you may work him. Suppose you like thinking you run long 3 man, but you work on something good or someone him. Same this for practice, but I can help you through. Long sharp him one per canoe, long swap him 1 per 6 man. Long high him talk clear, long nalbla, long drive him car good, long kiss him good plum mark, long school, long play or sport good, or kind something. Suppose you opponent thinking long use long this plus something you're working, but you can work him good. You can use long or 3 man about. That's why you must practice plenty, not practice strong. Time you not hold him thinking long this plus half. You're not counting plenty win, but you can lose him counting. Now look sorry that's all, now learn thinking you go deep, now strong more. This for practice suppose you're working good, but I can hold him you through. This will help you look sorry long when you go come long M, but I can come up with some anchor belong you. One kind of some or canoe you got anchor. You too you need him anchor. holding you is strong. Time or see blong cranky ting like throwing away in about. Now working you me worry or working passing no good. Because suppose you may sit down one time sample man. Now one man come talk no good don't you me. Easy to pass you me hat across and fighting it up. That's all. Despite working you may Hamamas or working heavy and one of Sunday by come up along you me. Or suppose something else may come up. Put him ting long little anchor point along you. Long little win. Now I can slow him little power ting. Or suppose me wait and one per half now something will come up hurry up, you may like cross nothing. And now put him ting for back long anchor point along you now can't win now slow him little power ting. Or suppose you may cigar up on one plus something and I can work him heavy come up along you me. Now you may look sorry this by back up me. Put him ting come back long anchor point along you. Now slow him or spell cranky ting by looking back up you me. Awesome. Now you may try and practice. Awesome. All plus talk clear on Sunday by you may walking. You talk at finish. Now you may sit down easy and try and practice. Awesome. Sit down good. Backside is step straight. Pull him to blow big blow in. Now behind, learn win, you will not like block. Now learn more ting is slow. Now step easy. Now put him over the ting blow you, long this will happen. Blow win, you mark him. Peel him good this will happen. And now can learn one blow something, you pull him ting blow you, go a long way, long this will happen. You put him ting stop strong, peninsula to a point. Alright now. You try and count him, how much win you can kiss him. You go, he come. Past time, on ting blong you. You flying about on 3 man or one of something. Was in 1 and then win. 2. You go the same. You count him how much win you can kiss him. Past time on ting blong you fly. You can learn one blood noise or 3 man or cigar from skin, you pull him ting blong you a long way along this point. Put him over the ting blong stop along this point. Now can't win blow you. No can 3 man. No can be anyone and kind ting. Learn me grow. Put it ting really go back straight on this point, that's all. Now can't win blow you. You must practice all the same. You go, now you can work him plenty win. Now ting blow you stop on this point, that's all. Now suppose you come up plenty now or some 10, 20. Alright, You can lose him counting wind. Now learn thinking blow you stop straight on this point. Now we're working thinking blow you on this point you go deep. Now you go strong more. Now suppose you work him good. Number one wind you come up plenty. Now you go deep, now strong more. But you start not feeling Hamamas. A big blood piece inside of you. I think blow you stop clear. Light. So let me try one more time again. Counting wind blow you. How much wind you can kiss him? Past time on think blow you lose him this point. I try hard. Alright, now you can open eye blow you now. Look can about some you sabe. Suppose you man stop on place, then you work on display. It may easy quickly because you know busy too much. So suppose you busy, long one blow work or one blow something long town or one and a half. Display some of the time it hard. That's all and more important long you long practice. Practice strong all the day. By you can win him display. Suppose you mark him some of the time, long one day, long practice the click. By time long you in up stop strong, not sharp, long display up, you mark him, by come up long more. So one day you practice, now you can think him, I stay, me count him how much win. Not today, but me try and win in this mark. This is why I hope you long working good or not about meditation practice, now not about something you working with some talk past time. This play by come up strong by anchor by holding you by thinking blow you no not on power time one by heavy or something good to come up now by you can thinking clear now straight in good or display heavy. Also in this play practice and one practice long meditation and one play something by can helping you through suppose you working good. Awesome. No can alarm savvy stop long head blow you that's all. You just put him in go on level now using long helping you. Awesome. You know got another road you must practice strong not plenty. Now you must use this for anchor blow you. Don't helping you. Awesome display and number one practice long meditation. By can helping you through suppose you practice strong now good. Try him laka.